C1 over C0, 2 times C2 over C1, 3 times C3 over C2. And this sequence goes on n times Cn over Cn minus 1. So this is the general term, n times Cn over n minus 1. Okay. The first one can be written as 1 times C1 over C0. R times CR over CR minus 1 should be, see, CR means NCR. So R times NCR divided by NCR minus 1. Okay, we just use the formula of NCR. So R times NCR is factorial N over factorial R and factorial N minus R. And NCR minus 1 also, that is N factorial divided by R minus 1 factorial. And N minus R minus 1 should be N plus 1 minus R. Okay, factorial. Now this thing we can write a little bit here. So we should be equal to, I mean, this value here is going to be equal to, can you cross out this n factorial and n factorial? Yes. And this R can be written as R into R minus 1 factorial. Okay. So what we are going to do is, in the numerator, we have only R here, time 1 over R into R minus 1 factorial. And n minus R is smaller than n plus 1 minus R. So let us keep n minus R as it is. So this is going to be R minus 1 factorial as it is. Okay. And this thing, n plus 1 minus R is n plus 1 minus R and times n minus R and factorial. Okay. Divided. This is by this n and n got cancelled. So we have just 1. So now let us cancel this R and R, n minus R minus 1 and R minus 1. And this is n minus R. Where is this? It was n minus R factorial here. So this n minus R factorial and n minus R factorial is gone. We are left only with n plus 1 minus R. So what we are saying is the value of R times CR by CR minus 1 is n plus 1 minus R. Now our general term is this only, R times CR by CR minus 1. Let us write it clearly. So what we proved just now is R times CR divided by CR minus 1 equal to n plus 1 minus R. This result we are going to apply in the given sequence. N plus 1 minus R is 1 here. So this thing is n. Okay. Similarly, n plus 1 minus 2. So this is n minus 1. Second term has become n minus 1. And the third term, n plus 1 minus 3. So this term over here, this can be written as n minus 2. Okay. So this value is n minus 2. And like this, the last one is, this is n plus 1, n plus 1 minus n. So this n gone, only 1 is left. So you see the sequence, how the sequence has changed. The sequence is actually n plus n minus 1 plus n minus 2 plus, and it goes up to 1. So in fact, this is the sum of n terms of n natural numbers. Like if we write it from right to left, so it is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to n. And from the sum of arithmetic progression, you already know this would be n plus 1 divided by 2. So that is your answer. And if you look down there in the options, option A is the correct answer. Get it?